Hi guys, I'm back again. I want to share with you a journal that I've recently made. This journal is made using the Back to Nature kit, digital download kit by ARTYmaze, and it's a really lovely kit. And funnily enough, I've seen quite a few people using this kit recently, and everyone has done a different interpretation of how they've used it, so it's really interesting to see what people are doing. This one's for a custom order, and I thought I would share it. So the actual journal is for approximately 4 by 5.5 and has a 2-inch spine, and then inside there's 7 signatures. So you have to excuse the lighting, it's gone really dull, and I've had to put the natural light on, which obviously is casting a few shadows, so I'm hoping this will be okay. So we'll go inside. As you can see, I've used a lace closure, and I've done the layered up effect that I did on one of my previous journals, and it's a quite sturdy cardstock cover. So as I say, we'll look inside. Oops. And what I will do is attempt to zoom out so you can see. So inside we've got a glassine bag that's been folded up to create a double pocket. So in the main part we've got this tag, and then in this part I've just added some tea stained tickets that obviously can be used within the journal. And you'll see there's lots of fussy cuts, butterflies and things throughout the journal. This has been printed onto a vellum to give that effect. And everything's tea dyed, and we've got stamping and, as I say, obviously fussy cut images throughout. So we've got a double tuck there. And all these things come from the actual collection. So it's really beautiful. A layered up butterfly with some seam binding, lots of stitching inside and lace and things. And this is one of my fold out little booklets. There's obviously a tuck spot there. I've got some lined paper. Machine stitched the lace to the page. I've got some lace just sewn along the top of these 2 pages. This is the centre of the signature, so it's got butterflies. And here we've got a corner tuck or flip, which has got the double flip that I've been doing. So it's a really gorgeous collection. This is just layered up, some lace and some seam binding, and a little fussy cut butterfly. This is a punched butterfly out of a book page that I've then stamped over to give some interest. Lace pocket. And we've got a little envelope that comes in the kit. Gorgeous colours, really like that. And then this one, I've used the envelope, but I printed it onto cardstock and cut the actual flaps off, so it makes a journaling slot, journaling place. And then I've just made a little slot further, so it shuts and keeps closed. Then we've got some banners, one of the little pockets, and a little envelope with a journaling card. It's in there. some lace. So lots of little butterflies, and that's the vellum. That's from the first signature. Love this. It's really gorgeous. And then we've got a little glassine bag, and in here I've done a double ticket so it can be written on inside. And then that's got some lace and some layering of the paper on there. Here we've got a tuck spot here, just some of the extra paper. Another banner. This is one of the fold out journaling spots, held shut with one of the fussy cut butterflies that come with the kit, and just a little tag tucked in there. Just some more stamping, and just some tea-dyed paper with a little butterfly on the corner there. This is just a little flip out with a butterfly either side. And another banner tuck spot, and here we have the centre of the signature, and I've made it into a big pocket with some lace and some flowers. And that's got a journaling card in there. It's another layering a little banner and some seam binding for interest. And then here we've got one of the pages from the kit, but I've just cut that and added it as extra note paper. That was printed onto tea-dyed paper. And then I've got a little layered crochet flower and some a butterfly and some little tulle there, and then there's a journaling space under there. Another tuck spot here, more stamping, another vellum printed piece. I've tried, when I've used the vellum, to put the pages either side fairly plain so that you don't detract from the imaging on the vellum. It's another tuck spot and tag. Here, one of the tickets from the collection, another butterfly, another tuck spot here, and a little garment pin hanging with an image from the collection, and some paper doily layered there. That's just attached with some lace and that to some seam binding. It's on the edge of the page. And we've got a little butterfly this side. Another one of the gorgeous images from the kit. And another double corner pocket. That's another double tuck spot there. On this side. The journal got so big and chunky that I had to stop adding stuff to it, but obviously the person that buys this will have room to do that themselves. A little pocket there, more vellum paper, a paper doily layered, and then in the centre of this signature I've put an envelope, and that's got a little journaling card. Some lace and a banner from the collection, and obviously a ticket there. Here we've got a glassine bag envelope that I've put a little journaling card in, and then that's left open as well, so you can tuck things in behind there as well. And then we've got some lace on there, some stamping. This is one of the corner pockets that come with the kit, and just a little folded journaling area. Another tuck spot there. It's just so beautiful. really love this kit. So there's some more of the tea-dyed paper that's been printed to use as extra journaling space. And we've got a pocket there with a tag. And here is another pocket with a journaling card tucked in. And here. And we've got a glassine bag here with one of the larger tags that come in the collection. Let's take that one. And just a little butterfly. Some paper doily that's just been stuck to the page for interest, and another tuck spot which is made out of one of the tags. Another die cut butterfly and a tuck spot there. Here we've got another pocket here, and then some paper that was added here just for interest. We've got two more little butterflies on there, and a double tuck here with this gorgeous image that's on the front cover, and a layered tuck spot there. Another one of the little glassine bags with a journaling card in. And this is the other side of the glassine bag with another one of the journaling cards from the kit. Obviously that's got some lace and a little punch butterfly that I've punched from the scrap of the paper. Some ruffled seam binding. And then some more from the paper that I've just stuck down just to add some interest. One of the little tickets that Irene sent me, and that's been tea dyed and had a little flower embellishments stuck either side, and that's just been stitched on. Another one of the corner pockets from the collection, and another one of these journaling cards. So even though it's an envelope, it can obviously be used in a different way. Another tuck spot. It's all been machined on. And we've got another flip corner there, and just some tea-dyed note paper. Another one of the little banners. And some seam binding layered with a butterfly, and this is some more of the paper doily that I've layered with some more paper just to get interest to the page. Another pocket comes with the collection, and a journaling card, and then we've got a little tuck there, one of the tickets that come with the collection. Then here we've got a tuck spot here, and this is another one of those flip up, flip downs that open up, and that's obviously on some ledger paper this time. Centre of the signature, another one of the envelopes with a little journaling card inside. Another multi-banner tuck spot with some lace and a journaling card. All their journaling cards and things have been inked. Some more ruffled seam binding and a corner tuck spot. Journaling card. Some lace and some ruffled seam binding. And just one of the fussy cut butterflies just layered on some tulle. Journaling card and another fold up corner. This is a tuck spot. Another tuck spot here using a tag, and some tulle for the top of the tag. Another tuck spot here. Another layered butterfly with some tulle. Another lace pocket and journaling tag or journaling card. Some more seam binding. And this is some more of the paper that's just been torn and adhered to the paper. So I mean, you could easily write across that. That's not a problem. But it's just, I just think it adds extra interest to the pages. This is a flip up page and another tuck spot there. We've got another one of the envelopes in the centre of the signature with the journaling card inside that. Another one of the tags and flip. Oh no, this is actually a pocket. So yeah, so it's not a flip up, flip down one. That's just I've machined that and created a pocket there, and obviously a pocket there. A tag that's been layered with seam binding and things. And then we've got a corner tuck which flips down, and a tag in there. And we've got a pocket here, and this has got another envelope that comes with the collection, and that's got a little tag that's been adhered to some tea dyed lined paper. Another tuck spot there. Another tag, corner flip, and the final signature, some more vellum, some more ruffled seam binding, another tuck spot there on this side. It's that gorgeous image again. And then we've got a corner tuck, which is a double flip, and a journaling card. This is another tuck spot, and that folds right round, so it's tucks on both sides. Another pocket with tag, centre of the signature with some more of the tea dyed and printed note paper, and some lace and some of this gorgeous trim. And then we've got a tag there that I've stamped and just added some tulle behind it. And here we've got a larger tag that's hanging from a garment pin, which I've layered with the paper doily and the fussy cut butterfly again. This side we've got a belly band with a little tag in there. Another doily tuck spot. On this side it's a double tuck. Another butterfly and lace. Another one of the glassine envelopes with the journaling cards inside, and that has also been left open to tuck more behind there. And then that's the back image. And then finally we've got a pocket here which I've left empty for the person that buys it to put their own stuff in. And obviously this is one of the tags that comes from Denise's shop, A Tattered Dream on Etsy, and I've just tea stained it, folded it and machine stitched it, added some lace and layered up some bits and pieces. So yes, so that's the back. So that's the journal. As I say, I really enjoyed making it because it's a really lovely kit to work with. Hope you like it, and I'll be back again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.